Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 1980s in the filter in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to filter here and I'm just going to select retro and I'm going to find the 1981, which is this one, and I'm just going to drag it. I'm just going to place it in the video. I'm going to select the video again. And I don't know why this is here. It's very annoying. Okay, I'm just going to leave it. But I do have to select it, so sorry. I don't know why this is here. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to turn the saturation to around 25. And I'm going to turn down the I'm actually going to turn it up to 10, sorry. I meant the exposure up to 10. Then for contrast, I'm going to turn it down to 11. So minus 11. For highlight, minus 50. And then we're going to skip the shadows and the whites and the blacks as well. And then for brilliance, I'm just going to do like around minus 5. And here I'm going to add in particles. I'm just going to add it like 5%. And for the vignette one, I'm going to add around 10%. Then here in temperatures, I'm going to add 5% only. And once you're done, you are going to select effects here. And you're going to go to retro again, and you're going to find black noise, and you're going to add it to the video. And that is it. Super simple. If you don't like the black noise, you can adjust the effect a little bit here. Maybe adjust the... you can actually adjust the speed, but if you don't like it, you can remove it. That is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!